Hi, I'm Cynthia for Artbeads.com, and one thing that I love using when I bead is this bead body tray. I love because of the foam. It's very soft, but it's also a container that you can close. So I want to show you here how I used it. I have my tube of seed beads. I have some beads here that I was starting to work with. I have my needles, even my scissors, and then when I move or I travel, I just close those straight together and it stay together. The thing is, you will see some dent in here, but that will disappear after a while. And what I love also is suddenly you have two trays to work with. This is really great. I use them all the time, even when I bead a lot in front of the TV, so I use those too. And here, so this is one that is closed, and I want to show you how I put my beading inside, and like that, so you can separate your tray and work with them. You see there is some mark in it. It's because I had my tools and everything in there, but it started to fade away, so it does disappear. So I was really surprised that I was able to put my tools in there. So you can just put your tools, and then I even have my bead stoppers, bags of beads. The only thing you want to make sure is when you bring your tools like that in the tray, you want to make sure that your beads are in bags still. So when you close it with your tool inside, you have a little more gap than if there was no tool. So you can choose to put your tools in there, and then you can have your beads out of the bags, or you leave your beads in the bags and have your tools. This beading tray, I really love it. I travel a lot with it, and even at home, like I said, in front of the TV, this is what I use. Especially if you have a cat or a dog that loves going on your beads. I love the fact that I can secure everything by closing my tray. So I'm Cynthia for Artbeads.com, and I just wanted to share with you one of my favorite items to bead.